No. Okay, we gotta fix this camera. Okay, we'll check this last patient in and then we will start working on everyone because everyone is just, they're laying down on their bed waiting to be checked in. Oh, and there's another blue one. Okay, one of you guys is 100% an anomaly. I think it's him. It's him. Because look at the eyes. He's got eyelids on the left side and no eyelids on the right side on his photo. Okay, we got our first blue anomaly. Don't believe me? Watch this. In 6 seconds, you'll see the truth. Yep, knew it. Knew it, and the other one just pooped on my floor. All right, let's check these patients in, get them all situated and happy. All my